Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Sci-Port Discovery Center. Today's experiment would be pop rockets. At this time, we also would like to thank our sponsors, ASTC-Voya, for sponsoring our science experiment for today. For this experiment, you'll need a graduated cylinder. This one is a 10 milliliter, or you might have the 50 milliliter, and this is to put your water in. You may also have pipettes, your rocket, which would be 2 film canisters, your luncheon pad, which is the red plate. You may also have a beaker to put water in, and your fuel for today would be the ASTC tablets. And don't forget, safety is always important in the laboratory. You should also find in your bag some safety goggles. So ASTC is made up of 2 ingredients, which is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, which is known as baking soda. The secret behind our experiment is hiding actually in the fizzing bubbles that you observe when we place the ASTC into the container filled with water. When you drop the ASTC in the water, the acid and baking soda produces bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Remember, we never eat or drink anything in the science lab. This is an open container. Let's see what happens when we put the lid on it. This is our rocket, and I'm dropping our fuel into our canister and topping it. As you can see, our gas, the bubbles, have nowhere to escape. When this happens, what happened was that the carbon dioxide built up so much pressure inside of our canister that the lid popped off. When the buildup of carbon dioxide gas is too great and the lid pops off, then Sir Isaac Newton's third law explains what happened. It says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So the lid stayed on our luncheon pad, but our canister flew to another area. Okay, let's try to do this experiment together. The first step we're going to do is let's try to take off our lid of our film canister just so that we can get it together when we do it, meaning we won't run into any problems when we do the science experiment. It's a little hard at first, especially if you don't have nails. But sooner or later, you're going to be able to take off your lid. Now let's try to put it back on and try to take it off again. The reasoning behind this is so that you are able to take this to put your lid on when it's time to put the lid on. In front of us, we'll have our graduated cylinder, whether it be the 10 milliliters or the 50 milliliters. We'll have our beaker where we're going to pour the water from our beaker into our cylinder. We have our rockets, which will be our film canister, our fuel, which will be the ASTC. So you can break your ASTC into fourths or halves, or you can even just leave it whole. Don't forget that we are scientists, so you can try different sizes with different water amounts as well. So we have our ASTC, we have our beaker. Let's put our water in to our graduated cylinder. And for this one, it's almost at 20, so I give it at 15. But am I missing anything? I have everything I need for my science experiment. What am I forgetting? That's right, don't forget your safety goggles. Remember, in the science lab, we always wear our safety goggles, and we never eat or drink what we mix together in the science lab. So if you need to take a moment to stop and get your safety glasses, do that at this time. So now that we have our safety glasses on, now we can add our water from our graduated cylinder into our film canister. Next, we are going to drop our Ecossessor into our film canister, top it, flip it, and stand back. The carbon dioxide bubbles are filling up, and what happens? Sir Isaac Newton's third law. The canister went one way, and our lid stayed in our lunch pad. And once again, we would like to thank ASTC-Voya for sponsoring today's science experiment. And don't forget, always make sure you use safety while in the lab, have your goggles on at all times, and make sure an adult is with you during this time, okay? Have a great day.